The purpose of the Books Council is to support a publishing industry in Wales across the two languages, and industry is the main focus here. So we're talking about the structure of companies that have the capacity to invest on an ongoing basis in publishing programs. Of course, we receive our grant funding from Welsh Government through Creative Wales, and we are part of the creative industries.
Publishing is great fun. You meet all sorts of interesting, fascinating people. 25 years ago, I was playing rugby for Pontypridd, and I'd written a book called Work, Sex and Rugby. And I couldn't find anyone else to publish it, so I set up a publishing company with the idea of promoting Welsh writing in English.
My name may be on the cover of a book, but I'm part of a process. So when I finish the book, I send it off to an editor. I've been lucky, I've had usually benign editors who say, that doesn't work. And when they point it out, I realise that's the case.
As an editor in Wales, you have the opportunity to give writers the best chance of having their work read and of being the best quality that it can be.
Then you'll have copy editors, proofreaders. There's a small, clever design industry now, which actually makes the book look fabulous. You write these things and you want them to go out in the world in their best clothes, yeah, looking proud.
Being an independent bookshop, you have quite a close relationship with your customers. It's more than a transactional relationship. It's creating that community around the books, around the kind of books that we have on the shelf.
Books. They educate us, they inspire us, and the benefits to mental health, well-being, educational attainment, I think it's all been proven over and over again. That's why I'm hopeful for our industry and for what we can achieve.
To get into publishing, all you need is that supportive network and an interest in books and writing. It's not necessary to be an academic or to have gone to university to enter publishing.
We want to hear our own stories told by our own people. That authenticity is important for any nation.
It's so much more open in Wales for more, for different.